I'm your host Jeremy. This is Lingo Yes. In this lesson, we're going to learn how to say "to be honest" in Chinese. To be honest is used pretty frequently in our daily conversation. Sometimes we say "to be honest," sometimes we just say TBH, TBH. But how to express TBH or "to be honest" in Chinese? We're gonna teach you. To be is like 将要, right? And honest is 实话, 实话. We translate into 说实话, 说实话. 说 is like speak, speak. 实话 is honest words, honest words. So basically, 说实话 means speak honest words, speak honest words. Alright, let me give you some examples so you know this expression better. 说实话，我忘记上周五是你的生日了。说实话，我忘记上周五是你的生日了。To be honest, I forgot last Friday was your birthday. 说实话，我很失望。说实话，我很失望。To be honest, I'm very disappointed. So now we know to be honest is 说实话. There is another expression in English we call it frankly speaking. Frankly speaking, that is exactly like 说实话. Frankly is 诚实的，诚实的，坦白的。Speaking is 说。So, frankly speaking is 说实话. Now you know 说实话 has two English expressions. One is to be honest and another one is frankly speaking. But I'm going to add something extra in this lesson. We all know there is another expression that is please be honest. Please be honest. That's you're asking another person. If you want to express by yourself, you just say to be honest, frankly speaking. But if you want somebody be honest to you, you say this to them. Be honest. Please be honest. But how do you express this one in Chinese? That is 请讲实话,请讲实话,请讲实话, which means please speak honest words. Please speak honest words. Alright, let's do a short wrap up. 说实话 means to be honest, frankly speaking. And another one, 请讲实话 means please be honest. Please be honest. If you like our program, please Google Lingo Yes and subscribe to our YouTube channel, and I will see you in the next episode. Bye bye.